Tatising Machinery was established in 1961. It is the oldest company in Taiwan specializing in automated soybean food equipment manufacturing. Continuously innovating to adapt to changing times, we firmly believe that technological innovation is the key to driving sustainable growth in the industry. Our entire production process is controlled by PLC automation. Our equipment meets international certification standards from multiple countries. Our products are not only spread across all 5 continents but are also highly trusted and praised by our customers. We are a provider of high-quality solutions, Tatising Machinery. We fulfill our social responsibility by caring for employees, partners, education, welfare, and gender equality. We implement sustainable production, carbon reduction, fingerprint attendance, paperless operations. We have received numerous industry awards. Creating sustainable business value. We unite, persist, and progress together. The best partner in equipment automation. Tatising Machinery.